Now we'll move on to the warm-ups. It's just to get a little blood flow. If it's a cold day, you can warm up your muscles. Especially with the Tai Chi, you can be sitting down and rolling forward and back. It's more exercise than it first appears, so it's good to warm up your muscles. But you can also gain some of the principles of Tai Chi from these warm-ups. So, warm-up number 1, swinging left to right. We get slightly wider than shoulder width and bending the knees slightly. And then you're going to turn from the inside of the hip and transfer the weight left and right. As we do this, the arms are going to be swinging. So if you relax the arms completely and you're twisting and turning, the arms begin to swing gently. You want to turn from inside the hip or the inguinal crease because your lumbar spine is basically made for going forward and back and not twisting too far to the left and right. In order to get a good twist, we use the hips and the movement of the hips. This helps to loosen the hip joints. So, swinging left and right, letting the arms relax and the shoulders relax. The momentum generated from the swinging tends to flow through the shoulder and let those muscles in the shoulder relax. It also teaches you how to let the arms go, which is quite an important part of Tai Chi, because as we do so many things with our hands and our arms day to day, there tends to be a lot of tension that we have to learn the skill of relaxation to let these tensions go. Swinging left to right. Make sure you observe that the feet don't fall out of their alignment. So we don't do this. You want to keep the feet nice and snug on the ground with those points from the Wuji stance still adhered to. Similarly, the knees don't go out of whack, but are just in line and comfortable. The head is held upright, so no leaning, twisting, wobbling from side to side. Just nice and upright. Swinging left to right. Now, forward and back swinging, we learn the forward stance, which is 1 foot, about 45, 35 degrees out, and the other one forward, facing straight forward or a little bit turned in is fine. And we're going to shift the weight forwards and back. And as we do this, we let the arms relax. If your body stops, your arms should stop. Just swinging forwards and back. The arms are comfortable and relaxed. When you've done this for a little while, you can change so that the opposite foot is forward. And then swing forward and back. So that's swinging forward and back. The next is to swing up and down. And this is done with the feet, shoulder width stance, just like your Wuji standing, but this time we raise the arms up as we breathe in, and then we let the arms fall as we sink down. When you go down, do make sure not to go too far into the toes or too far into the heels, but to sink down so that you land snugly on the feet. Because you want to maintain the openness and the feeling of comfort in the legs, even though you're moving around. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Now, one breathing exercise is the 3 breaths. The 3 breaths starts with the fingers pointing in towards your belly button. Breathing in as the hands come up the middle of your body. Breathing out as the hands come down. So try that again. Fingers into the center of your body. Breathing in as the hands come up. Breathing out as they come down. That's breath number 1. Breath number 2 is the hands go up what's called the left and right channels of the body. Breathing in as you come up, going over your head and down in a circle. Breathing in, turning the palms out over your head and down in a circle. From the side you can see that the hands move forward and down. That's breath number 2. Breath number 3, breathing in, the hands come up on the toes, and then down to the side. Breathing in, hands up on the toes, and breathing out, hands to the side. That's breath number 3. Then we put all of those together, and we have breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, and breathing out. The 3 breaths.